Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about increasing engagement using polls. Let's get started. Reddit has a new feature for giving Redditors the choice to select from a list of options to choose from. The original poster can entice people to engage with fellow Redditors. People enjoy answering questions, and this feature makes it easier for them to offer their opinion by selecting one of the options. This feature is called Reddit polls. Polls allow Redditors to create a new type of post to set options and allow people to vote. Using this feature, people can vote on anything. Reddit users can create polls and post them like a normal post that you can see on the platform. Take note that not all subreddit communities will allow you to post polls. This is because Reddit wants to lessen spam posts that other Redditors can take advantage of by using polls. Polls are easy to create. You can post it inside a community that you choose. From these options, choose poll. Here you can add a title for your poll, which allows you to write up to 300 characters as your title. Then add an optional description if you want to inform the viewers with more details regarding your post. Then write your options. By default, options 1 and 2 are visible here. If you have more options, just click the Add option here. Polls allow only 6 options that you can add here. Then set your voting length from 1 day to 7 days. You can enable this checkbox, Send me post reply notifications, so that you'll be notified when someone leaves a comment on your poll. In this section, you can see some tips regarding polls. Follow these tips for better polls. Voting options make people engage with your poll. People enjoy giving their opinion, and polls will make it easier for people to engage and vote. They can just click on a radio button next to an option. Reddit polls increase user engagement on your posts. When using polls, Redditors can easily participate in the discussion. Brands can create surveys and see what their customers want. Just post a question and give options to offer. You can even set a date for how long the post will last. And you can base your future marketing promotions from the results of the poll. Polls can give you more insights from people inside communities. Redditors can vote using your options. They can even comment and share their opinion too. More and more Redditors will engage and comment in your poll, which increases the engagement in your post. And that is what we want to achieve when building our Reddit profile. Polls can also help you decide which is the best option for your project. You can tell fellow Redditors the purpose of your poll and include a detailed description of what you want them to do. And based on the top results of votes, you will get an idea for your next project. You can use polls to ask a close-ended question answerable by yes or no. You can even see the current total number of votes who participated in the poll. And you can see the number of days and hours left for the poll to be available for people to vote. If you want to check out the current polls inside Reddit, you can join the subreddit called r/polls. It has a collection of polls created by Redditors. As you can see here, that there are over 27,000 voters in this subreddit, and you can also view the number of Redditors who are voting at this moment. When creating polls, you can also indicate in the description the additional instruction that you want the voters to include in the comment section. This will also result in an increase of engagement in your post. Remember that when you find a subreddit that allows Redditors to post polls, always check their community rules first before submitting your poll. That way, you can avoid violating their community rules. Now that you know about increasing engagement using polls, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Reddit Good Practices. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.